Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to add languages to your WordPress website. Whether you are building a site for a global audience or just need a local translation, these steps relate perfectly to each other to help you switch languages in minutes. First, let's look at the easiest way to do this directly in your dashboard. Log in and go to Settings and then General. Look for the Site Language drop-down list, select your preferred language, and click Save Changes. WordPress will automatically download and install the language files for you. If you can't find your language in that list, you'll need to handle the next steps manually. Go to the official WordPress translation website, find your language, and click on the percentage value to see the project files. Scroll down to the export settings, select All Current and the Machine Object Message Catalog or .mo format, and click Export. The final connected step is getting that file onto your server. Log into your hosting cPanel and open your file manager. Navigate to your site's root folder and look for the app folder. If you don't see a languages folder inside it, simply click plus folder to create one named exactly languages. Open that folder, click upload at the top, and drop in the .mo file you just downloaded. Once that's done, go back to your WordPress settings and your new language will be ready to select. That is literally it. If this quick guide helped you go multilingual, please smash that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want to see how to add a language switcher to your header next, and I will see you in the next video.